Some food are a delicacy and we can just take off our eye or go without a bite, even though they are not very healthy. Today, with my sneaky chef apron, I decided to give our beloved snack, puff puff, a wellness upgrade. So that is flaxseed, milled flaxseed. I'm adding now milled chia seed. And the result, wow, it's finished like the wind. And why chia and flaxseed, you may ask? They are tiny but mighty, packed with omega-3s, fiber, and plant protein. They help keep your heart strong, your gut moving, and your energy steady. So after adding all the ingredients, you add water, warm water to activate the yeast. You mix until you have the right consistency and you leave it to rest for about 30 to 35 minutes. This isn't just a snack, it is a functional food that feeds your body while delighting your taste buds. And this is our mission at Live Well Pathway. We make functional food so that every bite is nutrient dense to be food as medicine. Now our dough is ready and we cut them into small balls and drop in the olive oil to cook. Now our treat is ready. You scoop them out of the oil into the baking paper dough so that you can soak extra oil from them. And for me, this is one battle won because I can't get the kids to have chia and flaxseed in their porridge. But yeah, they gobbled everything and said, Mom, you are getting better at this. Shh, don't tell them. We will reveal the secret much later. Follow us for more functional food hacks.